Many people believe microwave food is dangerous, that it destroys nutrients, or even causes cancer. But is that really true? The myth says microwave food is harmful to your health. People think microwaves make food radioactive, kill all nutrients, or change the food's chemical structure in a dangerous way. Here's what science actually says. Microwaves heat food by making water molecules vibrate. That's it. They do not make food radioactive. In fact, microwaving often preserves more nutrients than boiling or frying, because cooking time is shorter and less water is used. Major health organizations, including the World Health Organization, confirm that microwave cooking is safe when used properly. So what's the reality? Microwave food is not harmful. It's safe, efficient, and sometimes even healthier than traditional cooking. The real danger? Using unsafe plastic containers, not the microwave itself.